how to change default caller ID and spam app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So here click on settings app, 9 setting, scroll down, and click on apps. So you will see apps is here. So click on apps. So here click on choose default apps. Click on caller ID and spam app. So if you want to change default caller ID and spam apps, so click on phone. So after click on phone, you will see change default caller ID and spam app is change. So after change default app, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change default caller ID and spam app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.